everyone, welcome to my channel, welcome to my page, Chibaby Solomon African Delight Delicacy. So today is today is 31st of December 2025. So we have less than few hours to enter 2026. Yes, so for today in my kitchen I'll be making delicious jollof rice. This will be the last jollof rice for the year, so I'll take my time to prepare it very well, to garnish it very well. So what I have here is we have our carrots and green peas for vegetables. I have my diced onion here. We have our tomato paste. I just bought this one from one Arab shop. You know, Arab has one of the best tomatoes in the whole world. This is a Turkish brand. So yes, here I have chili. I have this chili. What else? Yeah, we are using chicken, fried chicken. I've already steamed my chicken, cooked my chicken. Yeah, so just now I'm going to heat up my oil, okay, before I can start adding all the ingredients and to make the jollof rice sauce. Yeah, so guys, stay with me. Let's cook our last jollof rice for 2025. I've finished cooking my last jollof rice for the year for 2025. We are counting down. This is 90 minutes past 9 p.m. So we have like 3 hours to go. Yes, to say bye-bye to 2025. Like I said, I can see that my year has already started in a great way. So I'm grateful to God. I'm happy for everything He has been doing in my life. If I tell you about my journey, you will know that I have 1,001 reasons to thank God. Yes. So I think we should use this last moment and reflect back, you understand, and look back from early this year till now and count what we have been achieved throughout this 2025. You understand? So yes, I know sometimes even though you did not make any effort or you did not achieve anything, we have to be grateful for life, for our health. We have to be grateful for everything, for being here, being alive. I know we still have some time, but I know not all of us will enter this 2026. Not all of us will enter this 2026. Yes. So, and I pray that all of us that is seeing this video and that is hearing my voice at this moment, I pray that all of us will experience this coming year 2026, and the year is going to be a grateful year for everybody. Yes, it's good sometimes you count your blessings and know how far you've become. You understand? You count your progress, you know, count your achievement in life. You know if you're making progress or you are stagnant like water that doesn't move. Every year you are still in that position. Every year you are not making any progress. You understand? You are not growing. Yes. We need to reflect back and go back and think about our life and know where we are not making any effort and where we are not doing well, and start correcting those mistakes we've been doing. If it's in our lifestyle, in our business, the way we think, the way we do things, you understand, you start to correct all these mistakes we've been making. Yeah, it's good sometimes you sit and think about your life. You understand? Think about your life, think about your growth. Yes, I know at this last moment, this last hour that we are entering in 2025, a lot of people will go to the shrine, church, wherever you need to make a declaration of 2026, casting, binding, declaring, some living declared next year. For women, let it be my year of financial breakthrough. Let it be the year of I will see that perfect man, that perfect husband in my life. Yes. So, what effort are you actually making? What growth are you actually adding to your life? It's not by declaration, and you are not putting effort, and you are making anything possible to make sure you are stepping to a better growth. So, time to reflect and time to think about your life. Time to strategize, time to focus. You understand? Before you know it, 2026 will always come and go also. Yesterday we just entered 2025, and tomorrow we are entering 2026. So before you know it, we are entering 2027 also. And the more all these years is passing by, the more we are growing old. You know, and the more we are growing old, the more our life is ending. That is it. That is just the simple truth about life. We are growing old, and we are growing old to buy one day. That is a bitter truth of life. We are aging, and we are aging to buy. Just have it in your mind. In the next, let's say 100 years, most of us would not be here. 100 years is too far. But just to tell you that in the next 100 years, even the ones that we are going to born tomorrow, you understand, all of them go, waka go. And it's just a matter of number. In fact, the time is not even that long. So life is a beautiful thing. You understand? Each day we live, each moment we live, make it count, make it beautiful. You understand? Make it in fact, let it worth living. Making it worth living does not mean that you have everything in life that will make your life worth living. No. But you see those small things, small moments with our loved ones, you know, those beautiful moments from your heart, those joy you share with people close to you, your surroundings, you understand, those things, those beautiful times you experience things that is good, you have joy, you smile, you laugh. In fact, you just, in any little way you can afford. Those are the moments that matters a lot. Remove bitterness in your heart. Remove judgment. Remove hatredness. Remove looking effort, finding effort in your heart. You understand? Embrace love, one another, peace, happiness. Those are the beautiful things about life. So I'm using this last moment to wish you all happy New Year, happy 2026. And let's spread love. Don't forget that always. I love you all. Bye bye.